Hi guys, today I am going to show you how you can create maps using ggplot library in R. So let's get started. First, before going forward, I like to talk about what is geographical data. Geographical data is any information that is associated with a specific location on the Earth's surface. Let us suppose that Tarun say something to Rakesh. Hey, you will find apple at C at color plate. So he go there and he observed the things, observed the names by his senses, eyes, and according to Tarun's sentence, he opened box C and he finally got apple here. What happened here? We as a human species, we give name to the surrounding environment or any object for recognize or classify or doing something with that, okay, and we use these names in our language system. To communicate effectively, we have to give the name, okay, and we share the information or observation based on that. For example, if I say to you, POSIT conference will be held on 2024. So here POSIT is the name of a company. Conference is also a name which have some meaning, okay, and will is also a name which is basically a verb. So we share the information by using names. Let us suppose that if I I say to you, you will find a burger at XYZ shop. So you go there and you capture the XYZ names by your sensor eyes, and you finally got burger and buy it and eat it. Similarly, cartologists use earth location to share information like a question like where hurricane is occurred, where drought is come, where forest fire occurred, where disease is spreading at a very speed rate. So the question type where, let's suppose that a cartographer, he wants to know variation of viruses on every 50-kilometer square area in the USA country. Similarly, we saw the we you can use name here. We can give the name to the name every and each 50-kilometer area of the USA country. But you know that USA is a very big country, and if you give the name every 50 kilometer, it is very tedious for our brain. If let us suppose that if I am saying to you that hey, create 100,000 names, so your brain will be collapse here in that scenario. To tackle this type of problem, we use a number system. I already made about videos on the number system. You can go and watch it, and I already uploaded on the videos on 2D coordinate system in my YouTube channel. Please go and watch it. So we draw the imaginary line to the earth sphere like that. You can see in the images, and this is latitude and this is longitude. Let me show you the demo. This is the earth surface and I draw the latitude first. If you draw like that, we draw 180 lines of 180 lines. If you draw longitude, likewise, this is called longitude, And likewise we draw 360 lines. If you observe latitude, it has a different length, and it is a parallel because if you don't know the definition of parallel, in a parallel line we have a two line one by one, and if you measure the distance between the two line, it is same all over the areas where two lines is there. So that is the definition of parallel. And if you observed here, latitude is a parallel because the distance between there, between one latitude and another latitude is same all over the thing. Whereas longitude is not a parallel but it has a same length. Let's go forward. Let's suppose that Tarun shares some observation to the Rakesh. Earthquake occur at 28-degree north and 77-degree east. So Rakesh go there and measure the uh, location, and he measure the north 28-degree and 77-degree, and it is basically the location of New Delhi. But we are interested to visualize the maps in 2D plane. We are interested in projecting the global 3D sphere in the 2D plane. So this is the screenshot I have taken in the morning from my notes. It is basically like that. In x-axis we have a longitude, and in y-axis we have a latitude. Why in x-axis we have a longitude and why in y-axis is a latitude? It is your homework. If you draw the line, if I draw the longitude, likewise I move toward this. So this is a x-axis. That's why we are writing in x-axis longitude, and latitude is a y-axis, horizontal, not horizontal, vertically. Sorry. That's why we are writing latitude in y-axis. We use this information to draw the maps, and I will show you in the next video. Thank you.